Bitcoin time's running out? Maybe so. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? And this is fun on the right crypto news. Rodrigo Arnedo. So smash the like button. It's time for the crypto market review. And today we focus on the very little that we are up for the next halving, just around 60 to 70 days. And that's why maybe we consider we are not experts, this is not financial advice, but you must be maybe running out of time. How so? Well, you can see here from Break Capital that the last time we had a halving event, when we were 60 days for the halving, we were in the last opportunity, the last drop, the last moment for Bitcoin before going crazy up in probably this buy the rumors, sell the news event. So consider buying some Bitcoin because of this information. And remember that we told you a lot about this in this video when we were 100 days. And today we're going to zoom in a little bit more now that we are 70 days away. And we are going to go not just to the last halving as Red Capital, but what happened with the other two halving events. Because yes, we were in the last week, last time, but we had COVID and we had the economic situation all over the world. But what about the last two times, the previous times? Is this the same? Just a week until we start going up or not? And you can see here with TradingView, link in the description below, that absolutely the last time for the third halving, we are in the 5 days for the last opportunity on buying Bitcoin. But if we go to the second, not the third, but the second halving, you can see there that we had not just 1 week, but 2 weeks before this crazy moment for us going up. So maybe you have this week and next week too. Anyways, it's not a lot of time. So if you want to take this opportunity, if you believe this is something that is going to happen, then you have 1 week or 2 weeks. Or maybe if you are lucky enough, we are having a situation similar to the first halving. I don't think so, but maybe this is the case. In that situation, in this possibility, you still have like a month, maybe 4 more weeks. But any case, 1 week, 2 weeks, or 3 to 4 weeks, we are running out of time with Bitcoin. So consider your entry strategy in Bitcoin and do it today. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below to these phases for Bitcoin in order for you to understand that and watch the video we dedicated about it in the past, as I told you. Also consider that maybe we go down a little bit this week, these 2 weeks, or these 3-4 weeks, but soon enough, according to the Scalping Pro, will be in the optimistic range, and then belief and thrill and euphoria. So maybe you are missing the train already. Consider these good pieces of information. Bitcoin spot ETF cumulative trading volume exceeds $30 billion, which is awesome. Also, BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF, IBIT, is now in the top 5 year-to-date inflow. This is crazy for a new ETF. BlackRock more than 69 Bitcoin out there. Do you think these people are going to permit Bitcoin to crash? I don't think so. Also consider we have ads on Google, and a lot of Americans are watching now those ads. We have the halving, we have those massive inflows now into the ETFs, and people like BlackRock and MicroStrategy just buying and buying more and more. And there you have that Powell is alerting us about the bad situation in the United States. We have a debt that is impossible to accomplish in the future. So what's going to happen? We need a crash, of course. Consider also, as I'm telling you, that MicroStrategy just bought more Bitcoin, which is crazy how they are fighting for it right now. And Bitcoin keeps being flat, but we have some news today there. Like, for example, this interesting information from the Scalping Pro. The idea is that a big movement is imminent. Why? because you can see since 2023 we are in this uptrend, and you can see we have these ranges when we are flat going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And the moment it was the longest, it was 30 weeks. The smallest one was 8 weeks. So we are in 9 weeks now, 9, 8, 30. So if we are doing something like 30 weeks, we still need a long time in order to have this movement. But if we are emulating these two moments, maybe this one as we are starting 2024 right now, then we are almost there for a huge moment bullish for Bitcoin. Also, Crypto Robert, considering that if we have a head and shoulders pattern, well, we might go to $50,000 in just a blink of an eye. And also, this is the first time we're going to have a cross between these EMAs or simple moving averages. And what do you think about that? The last time we were close to that, we started this bull run or this other bull run. So now they are going to cross for the most important bull run in history. Maybe so. Stock money lizards, comparing the situation right now with the Standard & Poor's in 2001 to 2005. And you can see after this megaphone, kinda, we might break out and go to all-time highs. We will tell you everything about this in Crypto News. Rodrigo Arnedo here with the last information. I told you in the last video also about what the Chinese year will bring to Bitcoin. This dragon might be the good one. And one of you, the postman, thank you very much to everyone there commenting on social media and also on YouTube, did a research I asked for, and the idea is that the year in China, 4,722, is the number of the Illuminati people. So what about that? Also, you can ask ChatGPT and it will tell you that maybe this is the year for the reveal of Satoshi Nakamoto's identity or something like that, because it just stored this number into some kind of codes, and Satoshi and Nakamoto is the precise number that we are referring to. So maybe Satoshi is this the year that will reveal its identity. We'll see about this crazy stuff. The market fighting for the green. We have some bubbles in the red. This is not good at all. I'm going to tell you things about Monero, Lido, and some others right now. But the market keeps on being greedy, which is a good thing. But for Solana, it went down for the 11th time in 2 years. And the price went down a little bit. A lot of fun out there, like Cardano is there, Ethereum is also there, and Solana is restarting all the time. Remember all the criticisms to this Solana blockchain and how centralized it is, and all the fuss they had about the cell phone, the mobile too, everybody trying to buy it crazy because of those airdrops like Bonk, etc. But what about the network itself, the blockchain? If it's down, no matter these publicity events, it's not going to last. Anyways, I don't see the price falling that much, and maybe we are even in this bull flag. So maybe good things for Solana. Chico Crypto will, of course, say bad things about Solana. I watched the last video, but it was dedicated not to Solana. It will be the next one probably, but to Chailink. And what about Chailink? Well, the idea is that we are going to go crazy up, maybe even to $26,000 as we broke this bullish flag. What do you think about that? Well, in its video, Chico Crypto said that maybe this price action, when the market is going down, Chailink is going up. Why? Because of the launch of the CCIP. And what is that? Well, consider just following them on X, on Twitter, so you have more information about this. But in my own words and ChatGPT's words, the idea is that with CCIP, you can connect data from different blockchains. This is going to be open for the public. And also, maybe Chico Crypto is telling us that it's not that, but Deco. And Deco is another technology that Chailink is implementing. And the idea is the last one to be implemented for 7 technologies they say they will incorporate. and is missing. And it will come for privacy, which is awesome on Chailink too. So Chailink, little by little, is like one of the most promising projects for the future. And what about Monero going down? Well, this is because of Binance. They are dislisting Monero, so it's okay. We can go to our partners, our sponsors in CoinW and buy Monero because it's listed there. So link in the description below to CoinW, and forget about Binance. You can go there and buy all the Monero that you want. Probably Binance wants to be okay with US regulators, and that's why they are saying goodbye to privacy coins, which is sad in my opinion. And consider also using CoinW because all of the money that you can win if you use the link in the description below because you watch these videos. Ethereum is going down a little bit. What's going to happen with Ethereum right now? But what about Monero? Better to consider Monero and what's going to happen there. Here you have the 24 hours chart. Here we can see this 7 days chart and how it went down for good. But also we need to watch the all-time high in the logarithmic chart for Monero. And you can see that still's there. Monero still's there in life. Binance also with some rumors out there, bad ones. The idea is that the know your customer data is in the dark web. Maybe your data is out there. And now also related to this, a website entitled Only Fake creates images of fake IDs using AI for only $50. Well, this is bad for cryptocurrencies safety in this know your customer process. Also, good news today, ENS collaborates with GoDaddy to link web domains with blockchain names. So the idea here is that we need this integration between the Web3 and the Web2 in a way that is transparent for the user. So here we have it. GoDaddy is a site where everybody buys those domains, and now they are going to be linked to ENS. So good things for everybody, especially for ENS. If you want to know more about this, I'm going to leave you that link and also the link about this guy that will explain to you how this is huge. The idea is that everybody is going to prefer to be more secure than less secure. And that means that a DNS is less secure than an ENS, and those two will be connected. Also, careful because February will see 800 million of unlocks from Avalanche, Optimism, Aptos, and more. We will tell you here in CryptoNews Fun on the Right. And also, Lido's daily users rise 718% in 3 months. So maybe this is good for Lidos and our investment. I hope so. Bad news is that the Super Bowl is not going to have this year any crypto ads, so that's not good. And also, it's not good that allegedly Bitcoin price decline is because of miners selling a little bit of their Bitcoin. Strange news about NFTs. Donald Trump's tokens rising 100% after crypto fund totals their possible spike this year. Are you bullish on Donald Trump about the election? Well, if you want to follow all these crazy tokens, you need dextools.io. You can see Trump is here in the first one right now. Also, watch their social media, and it's so interesting that we are talking about the Apple Vision Pro glasses in our artificial intelligence channel. And you can see that this guy is trading in the future with AI, with the glasses, and it has dextools.io in the side because it's the tool that everyone needs, no matter if you have those glasses or not. If you want to be a cool trader and also a very, very good informed investor, then you need to have Dex Tools as your most important tool. The year is 2030. Bitcoin is the world's official reserve currency, and Ethereum gas fees are $1. Hopefully so. This is the vision of DEX tools. If you want to learn more about AI, go to our channel, AI News. We have a new video already. What about Ethereum? Again, the cross we will tell you about on Friday. What's going to happen when we have a delay in the ETF application? Another one. So we have to wait for Ethereum ETF in spot to be approved. It will be in the future. And now about our partners, consider having a Bybit card and having up to 25 euros because of this very link that you have in the description below. But also, we told you on X, Twitter, follow us, that you have a giveaway there. You can have 500 USD worth of Bitcoin. It's very simple. I'm going to leave you how to participate in the description below. And the idea is that because of Chinese New Year, they are going to have promotions every week. I will tell you about them, but you just need to tell us how long are you going to hold your Bitcoin in a funny way and do these small tasks, and you are eligible for this giveaway. So I'm going to participate, and I will tell you about on Friday. But run, because it's not a long time. You have just till February the 9th. Also, you have a discount for Valentine's Day in Trezor, our partner, link in the description below. If you buy a Model T or Trezor 1 between 5th and 14th February, you have this globe in pink or red. So romantic for this time of the year. You are the one, my treasure. And also remember that you have love all year long with coin tracking, the best way for tracking your portfolio and do your tax report. You have a 10% discount. Use the link below. And it's okay if you want the free version. Use the link, because in the future, if you want the payment version, then you still have the 10% discount. Good news for the end of this crypto news. The idea is that BlockFi is in agreement with Three Arrows Capital, and some users, be careful out there with the scams, but some users are having emails, legit emails, telling that we are going to have our money back. Some of it, at least, not for the wallets, but also for the ones we had in this trying to get investment return in the earn section. So we'll see about that. We still have to wait. Be careful out there. Again, there are a lot of people trying to scam you, but good news allegedly for the users that had money into BlockFi. And now let's do not overthink this, like this cat is doing with this strange thing all over its neck. And how in the world did this cat jump there and is still there like a monk in the crypto world? We are so wisdom as this cat. And also, we have the ability of a spider cat like this one moving across the scammers and the crypto conditions, the good and the bad ones. Okay, if you want to keep on learning AI, you have AI News. If you want more crypto news, Rodrigo Arnedo, then you have one of these two videos. And we are researching for the next crypto news: health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!